The Apple TV remote is certainly one of the most unique remotes out there. It pretty much always has been since Gen 1. And much like the Apple Magic Mouse, this is one factor where design has always been placed over functionality or comfort. Now yes, they did work out the kinks from the trackpad remote, now including directional buttons and a layout that makes it easier to tell which way's up, but still, it's maybe too slim, too aluminum, too cold, too machine. Of course, all those things are subjective, but the basic understanding is that Apple Remote goes against the very nature of the living room, which is calm, relaxing, comfortable. So all of this to say, Nomad has found a way to solve this problem with their genuine leather case for the Apple TV remote. And it's really a simple solution. You get this leather case that the remote fits precisely into. All of a sudden, it's more comfortable, warmer, with enough bulk that it actually fits into your hand. It's a genuine Horian leather cover on the outside, but taking the remote out reveals a microfiber lining and a hidden AirTag pocket on the inside. The AirTag snaps into place and suddenly you've gained this functionality of the FindMy app to find your remote wherever it's hidden. It's actually kind of crazy to me that Apple thought to put FindMy integration on all kinds of accessories and into the MagSafe wallet, but then never brought it to the redesigned Siri remote, especially with something that can slip just between the couch cushions, and I have definitely been victim to that a couple of times. So after using this cover for roughly 2 months, I've got to say I really believe this makes the remote a more comfortable experience. As someone who actually really enjoyed that aluminum sharp feel originally, I really find it hard to go back now to that. So whether it's just the cold to the touch feeling or the fact that it's kind of slippery on its own, the leather cover does solve all of that. If you're a Nomad fan, then you probably already appreciate the Horian leather look that is featured across pretty much all of their products. Leather, of course, looks more weathered over time, so they actually show this on their website, how it's going to look on day one when you get it, and then how it's going to look when it ages over time up to that 100-day mark. But that's also kind of part of the appeal. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of the Nomad leather case. Do you think it's genuinely a good solution for that Apple TV remote, or do you prefer that remote by itself? As always, thank you to Nomad for sending this out, and thank you for all of you at home for watching this. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button because it tells YouTube that videos like this don't suck. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.